Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design a landing page in Stitch. All right, so first up, go log into your account in stitch.withgoogle.com. And once you're in here, let's just go ahead and select web right here under start a new web design. Okay. Now, once done, go and select your preferred model, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the default one right here, which is Gemini 3 Pro. Now, if you do have a sample or reference photo or website that you would like to copy, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign right here. Okay. It could be the form of image or a URL. Okay. If not, if you wanted to start from scratch, okay, basically from your imagination, you can just go ahead and describe it right here. Let's say, can you help me design a landing page? Would like it to be futuristic and add in a product like computer peripherals and make the background techy. Okay. And if you want to as well, if you want to be more specific about the call to action button, you can go ahead and add it in right here in the prompt. So let's just go ahead and click on generate just for you to see. Okay. And let's just wait for it. All right, as you can see here, it now says the design has been generated for your futuristic text or landing page. Okay, and here we have it. As you can see here, it's pretty sleek. And as what we have said earlier, we wanted a computer and other peripherals as well. Okay, now if you want to further customize it, you can just go ahead and write down the prompts right here. Or you can hover over the specific page. Now click on edit. You can go ahead and click on add to chat or edit the theme right here. If you wanted to change these colors right here, you can just go ahead and select it, okay? Or use custom if you want to. Also, the radius, as you can see here, we have these edges. You can change that. Also, the font, okay? Let's say I wanted to use Source Sans 3. Now, just go ahead and hit on apply. Wait for it to load. There you go. And then once it loads, you're good to go. Now, if you're happy with it, you can click on more right here, review the code, copy the code, and continue working to other platforms because you can't edit anything right here. Okay, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.